Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Battle.net Blizzard agent needs updating error on Windows. First, completely close Battle.net and all Blizzard background processes. To do this, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes or Details tab, look for Battle.net EXE, Agent EXE, and Blizzard Update Agent. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This makes sure no Blizzard services are still running in the background. Next, clear the Battle.net cache files. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %ProgramData% and press Enter. Inside this folder, find the Battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment folders. Delete both of them. These folders contain temporary files that can become corrupted and cause update problems. After that, close the folder and restart your computer. This helps Windows refresh all Blizzard services and remove any locked files. Now, locate your Battle.net shortcut on the desktop. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Running the launcher with admin rights allows Blizzard Agent to install updates properly without permission issues. Once Battle.net opens, wait a few moments for the launcher to check for updates again. In most cases, the error should now be fixed. If the issue still continues, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try launching Battle.net again. Thanks for watching.